Hey, this is real estate broker Anthony Leggins, and I'd like to welcome you to DetroitPropertySource.com, where you can find the best properties in Detroit for sale, including houses and commercial properties. If you sign up now, you'll receive not only free property listings to your phone or email, but as a special bonus, you'll receive Detroit Real Estate Investing book, How to Invest in Detroit Real Estate for Beginners. And this is actually a $9.97 value. It's actually sales right now for $9.97. But if you sign up today, you can receive that for free. But today, this video, I wanted to go over how you can find if your commercial building or property or commercial property is located within the Detroit medical marijuana, recreational marijuana green zone. So I've had a difficult time trying to hunt down this map and find out how to search for the properties myself. So what I've done is that I compiled this convenient Detroit resource guide where you can find links to city departments, resources, services, maps, property taxes, utilities, and more. And it would take you a long time to Google and find all of this information individually. But you can find it right here on DetroitPropertySource.com under our resources tab. Okay. And as you can see, all of the links, city departments, just every imaginable resource that you can need for the city of Detroit, especially in regards to real estate. Okay. So let's go ahead and get to it. Let's get to the point of the video today, how you can find out if your property is located within a green zone. So what you would want to do is click this link here, okay? Download your free copy of this guide, okay? And once you sign up, it'll take you to the special page, okay? Because you actually have to sign up to access this, all right? So right here, you'll see the link, Detroit Green Zone Map. Find out if your commercial property is in a green zone. Okay. And then you could also click this link here for just medical marijuana information. Takes you straight to the City of Detroit website where you can find out the medical marijuana zoning ordinance, locations, frequently asked questions, maps of the provisioning centers, attestation, just everything that you would need right here. Okay. And that's on that link there. Okay. Now let's click for the Detroit Green Zone map. Okay. So when this pulls up, I was a little confused myself. So I believe that it defaults to the last property that was searched. Okay. So what you want to do is click X to clear the search. All right, so yellow here, if anything's outlined in yellow, it'll let you know that it's a drug-free zone. Okay, and blue indicates adult use marijuana permissible zoning districts. Okay, so you can see all of these areas here highlighted in blue have the potential, okay, for approval. So if you want to just remove this, you just click that arrow there. Okay, so you can even zoom in a little bit there if you want to and find the exact, general locations. So you can see the zoning. So say, for example, right here, you can see even the streets. So you can see which streets are available. Okay. And just so you know, the disclaimer, note that these maps are provided solely for exploration of possible locations and do not confirm zoning or spacing approval for marijuana business locations. All locations require special land use approval via the BC zoning division. Okay, so this provides instructions on how to search. Okay, and it'll tell you some additional information that's very valuable for you to know. Okay, now the trick here is that you have to search by parcel ID number. So you can't just type in the address. So you actually have to obtain the parcel ID number to find out if the property qualifies or not. So you could do one of two things. You can click on the general area, okay, for the property that you're interested in. I mean, because you'll have the location, so you can search it on the map and you can click and find it that way, okay? And that'll pull up, just information on the general property and what it's zoned for. Or you can go back to Detroit Property Source, click on the link for Detroit Parcel Viewer, okay? And that'll take you to Detroit Parcel Viewer website where you can find information on any property in Detroit. So you can search for address. So I'll pull up an address on a property I was recently sold. Okay, so this is commercial property 14320 Grand River. So it'll provide the parcel ID number here. And then just, interesting facts of the current taxpayer, the last sales price, everything. And this is actually how you do due diligence, but I'll cover that in a separate video. So what you would do is once you type in the address, you'll get the parcel ID number. You want to just copy that. Hold on. So you want to copy the whole, even the period. So you just right click, copy, and then you'll go back to the zoning map. You'll clear the search, and then you'll paste. You could press Control V to paste the parcel ID number. Click to verify that that's it. And there it is. It'll let you know. Okay, so this is a B4. So there's certain things that are not permissible, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you can't apply, because B4 zoning actually has conditional use approval. So you still have to go before the BC zoning department to get final approval on any commercial property. But this will give you a helpful indication on where to start your search and where to find out what your zoning is for your building, and if your location can potentially qualify for adult use marijuana growing, transport, processor, or recreational facility. So I hope this was helpful. Like I said, you can find all of this here. Bookmark this page, DetroitPropertySource.com, where you can find out all of the information that all of the information: population maps, zip code maps, subdivision maps, zoning maps, City of Detroit hotlines. The building safety department. Like just this right here is just this link alone. All of the city departments, all of their phone numbers, all of their contact information. Every department. So, you can find it all right here on DetroitPropertySource.com, where you can also, of course, search and find a house or building for sale in Detroit. And I hope this video was very helpful for you. Talk to you soon.